Welcome back to the 7-Day Glowing Skin Challenge. Today I will be sharing to you 3-minute face massage to instantly brighten your skin, tighten your jawline for a more V-shaped looking skin and younger looking skin. By the way, if you are new to this channel, my name is Christine. I'm the creator for the Useful Glowing Skin System. I'm passionate in building the right skincare routine for the younger looking skin. Remember to subscribe our channel for new video every week. We share to you what is the dermatologist proven skincare routines, the insider tips on the skincare ingredients, and how to boost your energy for the overall well-being. As you follow along the face massage, I strongly recommend to you pair this routine with the glowing skin boost. This skin use OC set is suitable for the oily skin or dehydrated skin and prevent the early signs of aging. This set of the moisturizer and the booster will help you strengthen the skin barrier by balancing the microbiome diversity on your skin and protect your skin from early signs of aging caused by the sun radiation, pollution, and dehydration. Start massaging your face after you apply the moisturizer and the booster. This massager on the face and eyes will help you to improve the blood circulation and reduce your eye dark circles and improve your skin elasticity. This massage comes with blue light and red light, and it has the 8,000 vibration per minute, which help you to improve your skin cells vitality and absorb your skincare ingredients much better. Start by applying the moisturizer and the serum. I recommend you using the Skin Use OC set. This set is packed with the natural ingredients, which is clinical proven to boost your skin health and glowing your skin in 14 days. So I will mix this personalized booster, which is skin firming booster, with the balancing moisturizer gel cream. This kind of mixture will help you to absorb the products much quickly and also save your time. Because our skin has water-loving and oil-loving parts, and the serum is water-based, the moisturizer has the oil ingredients. So when you mix it, the moisturizer will help you to pull the actives from the serum much deeper. I recommend you doing this massage twice per day for maximum result. You can do this in the base or just before you go to the bed. It's very good self-care habit because this only 5 to 10 minutes massage will help you to feel good and leaving your skin more smooth and brighter. Remember to follow this massage tutorial so you will get most out of this massager and the Skin Use OC set. If you like today's video, just give us thumbs up and leave your comment in the description box below. I love to hear your feedback. And also tell me what is your best massage at home and how you do your self-care at your home. In my final 7-day challenge, I will share to you what is my to-go skincare routine that comprises of what I put on my skin and what I do not put on normally. I will also share my secrets on how to keep my skin looking younger and healthy. Also remember to subscribe our channel and give the notification button below so you will not miss any of the future episodes. So this is end of today's video and see you next day. Bye bye.